My full name is Kunjan Chandrakant Garania.
How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name, Kunjan.
Where do you come from?
I come from the southern part of my state, which is Valsad.
Which state is that?
The name of the state is Gujarat. It's in the western part of my country.
Let's talk about emails. Do you often write emails?
Yeah, I often write emails to my friends and to my professors for project work, and also sometimes to my relatives for some business works.
What do you write about?
I usually write about some business topics whenever I send mail to my family members or to my professors, and also to my friends. I share photos through via mails, and I share some important stuff about the upcoming party or something.
Do you think emails are useful?
Yeah, emails are very useful because I feel that they are the fastest source of transforming information or transforming any important document from one person to another, or also to any organization.
Okay. Do you think it is a good thing that some companies send out spam emails for the purpose of advertising?
I don't think so that spam emails should be used as advertisement. Instead, they could send ads on televisions, or they could upload ads on social media, because people refer social media and television more as compared to checking emails.
How often do you write letters?
I don't usually write letters, but when I was in my higher school, we used to write letters, and we had a friendly nature in our whole class, so we used to write letters among friends. And also I used to write letters to my teachers on their birthdays or on their marriage anniversaries.
Do you like writing letters to your relatives and friends?
Yeah, I writing letters to my relatives and friends, but in this globalization, I usually use my mobile phone to have a conversation with them rather than writing a letter to them.
It's time for your cue card.
Okay.
You will have 1 minute of preparation time, and after that you will have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
If I stop you, don't worry. Please start.
So I had my 21st birthday this February. It was on the 26th of that month, and we went on a journey to Rajasthan. We visited Jaisalmer. It is a youth city in Rajasthan, and we plan to go there by our own car. We have a Maruti Suzuki car, and the name of the car is Ciaz. So we plan to visit Jaisalmer in the second month. The weather over there is extremely perfect, and I went with my family and two of my friends. I invited them because they are very close to me, and moreover I would like to say that the journey throughout the car was very interesting. I love traveling through car, and I always travel by my car whenever I visit to destinations which are far away from my house. The only reason we traveled through car was due to this pandemic. The flights and trains were cancelled, so we had to take our car. The car was driven by my dad, and from halfway, which is Ahmedabad, I took the driving seat, and I drove my family and friends to the final destination. We reached Jaisalmer in I guess 8 hours. It was a long journey, but we enjoyed in the car. We heard songs, we enjoyed the nature which was coming through our way, and my mother loves hearing songs in the car. So I sat beside her, and I was just sleeping on her shoulder, and I enjoyed the songs, and I was just holding her, and I knew that within some time I had to leave her. So this was the most close car ride which I ever had in these days.
Okay, Kunjan. Let's move on to your follow-up questions. What will cars be like in the future?
Cars will have many amenities I guess there will be electric cars which are overtaken today by the fuel cars.
What is the difference between men's and women's preference on cars?
I guess men's are more likely to drive manual cars, whereas women's are more likely to drive automatic cars. That's the only reason which I found between men and women.
What are the differences between bicycles and private cars?
Bicycles are way more cheaper as compared to private cars. They are eco-friendly, and also they are very cheap because there is no cost of fuel. Whereas in private cars, there's a huge cost for fuels, and yeah, that's the only reason why bicycles are far better as compared to bikes.
Why do people like to have private cars?
People like to have private cars because they can travel anywhere they want, and they use for also the family ones could gather sit together in a car. They can enjoy the music, they can have chit chats, and this is the only reason people buy their own private car.
Okay. Is it a good thing that everyone has his or her own car?
It's a good thing that every individual has their own car, because they can, as I said, they can enjoy with their family ones or their loved ones rather than traveling through public transport.
Okay. How to buy private cars in India?
In India, there's a simple way through which we can buy cars. We can buy cars through loans or through down payments. This is the only way in my country which we can buy cars.
Do many families own private cars in India?
I think not plethora of families in my country have their personal cars, but with the developing in the upcoming years, I guess every individual home will have its own private car.
Okay. This is the end of the speaking lesson.